Good morning, students. We are going to start exercise 6.5. See the question number 9 here. See, whatever the questions I am solving here, you to solve only that one numericals according to our new syllabus. Okay, I am trying to copy down. So, let's start question number 9. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. That is the question. Now, I will consider this AB as wall. So AC is the length of ladder, and the length is given as 10 meter. And the next statement is what? 8 meter above the ground. 8 meter means the height where the ladder is kept, something around 8 meter. What you to find? We have to find the distance between B and C. That is how much of the ladder is away from the surface of the ground. So इनको शांत कर रहा हूँ, बंद कर देता हूँ. So वीडियो बनाऊँ कि इन लोगों को शांत करा. In triangle ABC, AC is equal to 10 meter represents ladder, and AB is equal to 8 meter represents height of the wall. Now, since we know that wall is always constructed vertically, that is, we'll consider this angle as 90 degrees. So, in triangle ABC, we will write angle B is equal to 90, and before going to apply Pythagoras, it is compulsory condition to indicate here the angle. Otherwise, you can lose your marks. So, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now the value of AC is 10, AB is 8 and BC square. So it is 100 minus 64 is equal to BC square. So the value of BC square is 36, and therefore BC is equal to 6 meter. So this is what our requirement, that is the base of the ladder from the foot of the wall is something around 6 meters. Clear? Now, same way, let's move for question number 10. Wi-Fi चल रहा है बराबर? Okay. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should be the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? Now, if I am just talking about the guy wire, okay, what is wiring done here? That is, from the top of the pole, suppose AB represents here pole, AB, and AC represents what? The wire. Now we have to attach the wire from A to C in such a way that there should be no slack present in wire AC. That is, the wire should remain straight. And as we know that pole represents what? Right angle. So again we have to follow the same procedure, and we have to find the length, that is where we have to top this guy wire so that it does not show any kind of slack in it. So the length of the wire is given as 24 meter and the height is given as 18 meter. So we have to find BC. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 18 meter, that is a vertical pole, represents what? Vertical pole, and AC is equal to 24 meter is what? That the guy wire, and we have to find the length of BC here. So again we'll apply Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90. Now AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is 24 whole square, AB is 18 and BC square. Now square of 24 and square of 18 we have to find out. So 24 is what? 576 minus 324 is equal to BC square. So therefore BC square is equal to 252. So BC is equal to under root 252. Now 252 can be written as 6 into 6 into 7. So 6 is 2 times, so I will write 6 root 7 meter. So this is what the distance from the base to the pole. Okay. So dear friends, by this way we have to solve the numericals, okay, based on exercise 6.5 until the new guideline is not coming from the board. So our duty is to solve those numericals which contains value type. Okay. Now prove that if I'll get something from section pariksha, okay, I will continue. So one more questions you can solve. Question number 11. A very good question. Okay, that I will solve in next segment. But let me complete. See, an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due to north. Now, this is what our direction. Okay, east, west, north and south. So aeroplane is flying due to north at the speed of 1000 km from O to N. The speed is 1000 km per hour. And then at the same time another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies to west at speed of 1200 km. Okay, suppose OA is the position of the first aeroplane and OB is the second. So in west direction, OB, the speed is given at the aeroplane is 1200 km per hour. It is 1200 km per hour. Now how far will, the question is how far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours. That is, after 1.5 hours, what will be their distance? It means that in terms of right angle triangle, after 1.5 hours, what will be their distance? So again, my dear friends, we are going to use the condition of speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is equal to time into speed. So for OA, okay, distance travel. For OA means in direction of north, the distance traveled is equal to, now it is 1000 and the time is given as 1 integer 1 by 2, so that is equal to 3 by 2. So I will write here 3 by 2. So after cancelling you will get 1500 km. Okay, at this time, at this speed, okay, north south the aeroplane will cover the distance of 1500 km. And for OB direction, distance traveled is, now the speed is 1200, so 3 by 2, so you will get 1800 km. Now towards OA it is something around 1500 and towards OB is it something around 1800 kilometers distance. Now the question is, how far apart will the two planes after 1.5 hour? After 1.5 hour we have to find the position of two planes. Okay, so it is a right angle triangle, so I'll apply Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to under root OA square plus OB square. In triangle AOB, you will write angle O is equal to 90. Pythagoras theorem, under root OA. So the first one is 1500 and the second is 1800. Now their square will be 15 into 5, 4 zeros and it is 3 2 4 4 zeros, then it will be 5 4 9 4 zeros. So when we will factorize it, we will get 9 into 61,000, 61 lakhs actually, and then we will factorize it. Okay, we will get something around 300 under root 61. ओके, इसको आगे फैक्टर करना, आपको आंसर आ जाएगा, नहीं आएगा तो मैं आपको बाद में नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सेंड कर दूंगा. तो 1.5 आवर के बाद, आफ्टर 1.5 आवर दे आर 300 रूट 61 किलोमीटर अपार्ट. अगर और प्रॉब्लम होती है तो यहाँ पर आप 6100 का फैक्टर्स निकाल लो, या 549 को आप आगे यहाँ पर फैक्टराइज करना, आपको आंसर आ जाएगा. यू आर डन इन स्टैंडर्ड, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग डायरेक्टली. पर अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप मुझे बाद में पूछ सकते हो. तो अभी आपको 6.5 में जितने क्वेश्चन मैंने करवाए सिर्फ आपको उतने ही करने हैं. फिर जो नई गाइडलाइंस आएगी, अगर उसमें प्रूव दैट टाइप के क्वेश्चन होंगे तो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सेंड करूँगा. ओके, या तो आप टिक करके रख लेना, जो जो क्वेश्चन मैंने करवाया आप घर पर उसकी प्रैक्टिस करना.